Hi everyone, welcome to yet another video of Distraction Routes. Today we are here in Dubai. Actually we thought we'll go to Jumeirah and roam around there, all the beaches, and also visit Burj Al Arab. So we are just on our way. There you can see the skyscrapers of Dubai. That is Burj Khalifa there, the tallest one standing out. So we are just going towards Jumeirah. Nirmal is with me, he's taking me there. So we are just going out and we're going towards Jumeirah. Now we are on Sheikh Zayed Road, and now you can see the lane discipline. Now you can see that how many lanes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lanes are there. All the cars follow their lane discipline, and even you want to change the lanes, you can see that everyone, they put the indicators, they wait for the turn and they move in. That is how they drive, and it's well disciplined. You can see how good it looks, and also all the traffic rules are followed, and it looks really nice. What we are seeing there is the Dubai Metro. It's the red line. It's crossing above us. There are so many lanes here. It's like around 8 to 9 lanes, and all the vehicles following their lane discipline. To the left, what you are seeing there is the Dubai Metro line. That's the red line. We just crossed it under and we are going along with it. I don't see any metro trains coming right now. Hopefully we'll get to see one. This is Sheikh Zayed Road. We are on it, and this road going straight leads you to Abu Dhabi, and going the opposite direction it leads you to Sharjah. So now we are going in the direction of Abu Dhabi, and the Jumeirah side comes on the right side. So we will be taking an exit from the point where we need to turn. You can see all the bridges. How many bridges? So many of them crisscrossing each other, and that's how the infrastructure here is. It's well done and well maintained. All the bridges are beautiful to look at also, and it serves the purpose also. And all these areas are showrooms. This is a Lamborghini Dubai showroom, and all this area.
Tom will be renting a Lamborghini, and we will go for Lamborghini drive.
He's seen a dream out of dreams.
Yeah, I see a lot of dreams.
You see a lot of dreams, but this dream is a dream in a dream. This Bentley showroom, what you see there is a Bentley showroom, and there is the Burj Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel in the world, and it is on the side of the beach, and it looks stunning from far off. It is one of the famous destinations here. Tourists come here. Most of them don't enter, because to enter or stay there, it's so expensive. Maybe you will have to give out a year's salary. So it is like the people just go outside, they take the photos. To enter, you can just enter just for photo. I think the entry charge is around 500 dirhams, but I don't think that is worth it. So we will be just going around and on the beach and surrounding this one. So we will see how the hotel looks. And there, what we see there, I think is also a hotel, but that's a 5-star hotel that we are seeing in front. I actually don't know the name of the hotel. Let's see what it is. And if you want to take the Dubai tram, we need to go towards the left. Which hotel is that one?
That is Madinat Jumeirah.
That is Madinat Jumeirah. That's a 5-star hotel, I believe.
Yes.
And that's a Madinat Jumeirah. And besides that is the Burj Al Arab. What you are seeing there is Burj Al Arab.
See.
Yeah, this is Souk Madinat Jumeirah. That's a 5-star hotel. It looks very beautiful from the outside, so it should be luxurious and very posh inside. And there is the Burj Al Arab, and this is Jumeirah. This whole area is called Jumeirah, and the road that we are on is Jumeirah Road. And this whole area is a posh area. Most of the rich people or the Europeans and people with high salaries, they stay in this area, and mostly you can find Europeans here because this entire place is just in the form of Europe, and they've made it such that it looks like Europe. They have trams and all that facilities. All the beaches are wide open and no restrictions or anything like that. You have all the facilities that is needed. So that is how they keep them happy, and they are provided with all the facilities that they get in their homeland. Now the signal has turned green. This is Wild Wadi Water Park, Dubai, and that is Burj Al Arab. What you're seeing there. If you're not entering, we'll just have view from here and return back. Yes, finally what you're seeing there is Burj Al Arab, the only 7-star hotel. We are in front of it, and it looks really amazing. That's how it is. That is Burj Al Arab. They have a helipad over there. You can see that there's a helipad out there, and the entry itself is restricted. You cannot go in front of it. But this is Burj Al Arab. This is Wild Wadi Water Park, and the entrance is like 209 dirhams for adults and 159 dirhams for kids. And above this is what you see is Burj Al Arab. It's besides Burj Al Arab, and if you are inside the Wild Wadi theme park, you can actually see or get a good view of Burj Al Arab. And I personally love this area. It looks really stunning, and I love this area for its neatness, the way it is maintained, and the way it is kept. That what you see there is the Jumeirah beach. We'll have to go that way and go into the Jumeirah beach. All these areas have villas. See, all villas, and so neat and well maintained. You don't even find one rubbish anywhere. It's so well maintained. And there's a helipad on top, as you can see, and the shape itself is peculiar. It's a different kind of shape, and you can see a lot of Europeans. I think they are having a sunbath. Also, a few of them are in the sea already, so we'll just go out and check how it is. So now we are at the Jumeirah beach. This is the Jumeirah beach that you can see right behind me, and look at the color of water. It is absolutely clear and bluish. It looks fantastic. Look at all that. And I feel that this is so calm also, not too much wave, and the sea is calm here, so you can get down safe. And there is barricading there, so you are safe inside also. Don't cross the limit, and you will be safe inside. And this side here you have the Burj Al Arab. This is the world's only 7-star hotel. What you see there is a helipad, and the shape of this hotel, as Nirmal says, is inspired by the shape of the sail or sail of a boat. That is why it looks like that. It looks like a sail of a boat. And this is the whole area of Jumeirah beach, and here there is some construction work going on. Otherwise it would have been even more beautiful. There is some construction work going on. I think even more better buildings or beautiful buildings coming up.
And also the helipad is where Mr. Roger Federer, the famous tennis player, he played a tennis match on the helipad along with his friend so many years back.
So you can see that there is barricading, and here there is barricading. In between this is the surfing area. So people are allowed to get down there and get down here. And I was absolutely in love with the kid who was in the water, who was playing around. I think he's around 6 months, and he was just enjoying the beach and the water very much with his parents. You can see along the stretch lot of boats parked here along the stretch. All these boats parked here. So normally on the weekends all of them will be out, and these people will be enjoying out their boat rides. Huge boats also, small ones also. It's like a boat yard. This is the yacht club here. You can see all the yachts. Today is a weekday, so most of them have been parked. You can see jet skis or the equipments for jet ski. All of them are there.
This is where people come and offload their boats into the water.
So they just tow their boats with the car. They come along with the boats towed on their cars. They pull it around and they just put it down here or offload. Here you have the fueling point for the boats. It's from Enoch.
Marine fuel.
That's marine fuel for Enoch's. We are in the kite beach, and you can see they are flying kites. As I told, it's famous for kites. They're just flying kites. I'm at the kite beach here, and I just saw this wonderful sight here. So many flags, so many UAE flags just being posted here. I don't know what the purpose, but you can see thousands of them, thousands of flags just posted here. I thought I'll take a walk on this, just walking till the end. It's scary also, but it is beautiful out here. I'm just standing here, you can see, just standing here, and there's an helicopter going up there. It is scary. It is deep down here. Just standing on these partitions here. I think this partition is for swimming, and this area is deep. This is a nice place to hang out with. You can come with your family, you can come alone, come with as bachelors, or just come here and hang out. It's a very safe place, very nice to be at. You can have the Burj Al Arab in the backdrop and enjoy the scenic beauty, and also have a nice dive in the sea. So this is Tom signing off from Jumeirah Beach and from front of the Burj Al Arab, and hope you people like this video. And if you do like the video, please hit the like button. Also don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.